Hello, hello, hello. I wanted to record what I'm sending off to a pen pal. I'm sending a coloring page. I am sending, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different herbal teas. I'm also sending, how many drink packets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the add to water teas and punch kind of drink packets. I am sending a magnet that I made of a flower. I made a little pocket. She's just now getting into junk journaling, so made a pocket that she can reuse. And then in that pocket is a fun sticker for her that she'll like. And then wrapped in an old piece of paper describing plants, because she's really into plants. I wrapped up a crystal for her to enjoy. It's got some beautiful colors in it. She's having a hard time right now, so I wanted to send a little something just to bring her a little bit of joy. Well, love, little joy in the mail. Oh yeah, and then this goes back in here. And then in this box, this is where it's all going. Decorate the outside a little bit. And then inside, I have some facial cleanser. And then I also have some face oil. This has vitamin C and turmeric in it. I have a glow mask for her. It's a vitamin C glow mask. And then I have a cherry lip exfoliator. So it's a lip scrub in cherry flavor. And then a lip mask. This is an overnight lip mask. And then I am also, if I can get this open, sending one more item. If I can get it open. Well, I can't get it open, but I can tell you what it is. It's a keychain, and then I've got lipstick, and oh, there we go. I got it. It's in her lipstick right here. Inside of the little keychain that I was gifted in a giveaway winnings. So I'm sending it on to her for her to enjoy, because we already have so much on our keychain. We really couldn't have anything this bulky going on. It was clinking too much for the wife. So, so sending it on to my pen pal to enjoy. So yeah, I'm going to put all this stuff fitted into this box, also with my pen pal letter, and hopefully it will help help brighten what she's going through right now, and just give her a little bit of love. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.